Well, happy Tuesday, everybody. Doing a quick video here to let you know what's going on. Yes, you're not seeing things. Where's the other desk? That's my old desk right there. But, yep, getting a new desk. Well, let's see, hold on. That's probably better. This here goes against the wall back here, and this little one will go here. That way I can have some more stuff here. Of course, that means the paint booth with a table underneath the paint booth will have to move. So, along with the paint booth.
Filters.
You
need filters.
That I do, yeah, of course. Yeah, when I get around to that, I'll get the filters done. But, yeah, 2 new desks. Going to be a U shape, or yeah. So yeah, pretty good. What we got so far? We got that and that there, and should be, yeah, almost done. It's got a pretty cool. This thing's got a plug-ins and USB hookup on it. Pretty cool, huh? Yep, 3 plug-ins and 2 USB hookups. So yeah, we got this left. Of course, I've got 2 of them, and those go on and it's done. That, of course, is to my old desk, Cody's. He's going to use it for something, or no, take it back. It's going to the girls. They're going to use them. And try to get it to where. There you go. New printer. Yep, just came in. Big old box. Haven't opened it yet, as you can see, but I'll get to it pretty soon. But yeah, figured I'd just throw that out there. I am still alive. But yeah, I cleaned up my floor, swept it up, much needed. If I ever get my tower done, I can put it in there again. Got a couple shelves on each one. 2 more here. So yeah, I can clutter them up too. So other than that, that's it. Yeah, this room is a mess right now. That'll be able to go back over here. But I just wanted to make room to get through here and get everything in here that we needed. So, yep. And I don't know where that desk is going. I want to take that and put it right here. Like I said, that's going to go back over here. This will go over there. But those have got to go somewhere. Slowly but surely. I've only got 1 day to do this. So, yeah. Needless to say, I should. Yeah, it's only 3:15, so I should be able to get the other one put together. We'll see. Until then, yep, that's it, folks. Just let you know what I'm up to. Y'all take care. Be safe. Later.